There once were two people who fell in love, and they soon got married, and then they started to have babies, and I was baby number two. Then my parents ended up having five kids, and my dad was like, "Oh my goodness, we are having so many kids." Then my dad started flight school and he became a pilot for the Air Force, and he flew one of the biggest planes in the world called a C-5. Then my parents flew to Colorado Springs, where I was born, at the Air Force Academy. And then, after living there for just 3 years, we moved all the way to Dover, Delaware. Once we lived in Dover, we lived there for about 4 years, and our backyard was half the size of a football field. And then behind that, we had farmers who grew corn and had horses and everything. After we lived there, we moved to a small town in Oklahoma called Altus. This was one of my favorite places to live because we had the best tree in the front yard and it was so fun to climb. After we lived in Altus, in 2007 we moved to Edmond, Oklahoma, and this is now where I call home. This is me. Some things that are important to me are family, faith, and friends. And there are a lot of other things that are also important to me, like these. I have five brothers. Their names are, or four brothers. Their names are Mike, Jack, Nick, and Luke, and my parents' name are Brent and Pam. I am a Christian and I believe in God, and I also have friends, but I did not list them here. A few things that I love are volleyball, I love to run, I love coffee, I love people, and Grant. I am a lot of different things. I'm a daughter, a sister, a girlfriend, a friend, a barista, a runner, an athlete, and a Christian. The end.